Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check budget and history in Play Store. So if you want to track your spending on Google Play, this tutorial will show you how you can check your budget and view purchase history directly in the Play Store application. So you learn in this video how you can set and manage a budget in Google Play, how to view your purchase history for games, apps, and subscription, and how you can track and control your spending easily. So first, let's just launch the Play Store. Okay, so once you in the Play Store in Google Play, you can just tap on your photo at the top right corner, this one, and you'll go to the payments and subscription. And in here, and the third on the list, you can see the budget and history option. So tap on that. Okay, so under the budget and history, you can easily see your budget and also your purchase history. So these are my purchase history in the past. You can see how much you spend in here from the last year, even 5 years previously. So you can see all of the purchase history in here. And if you want to set and manage your budget, you can see at the top there will be this option to set budget. So your budget only applies to this account and you can change it at any time. Tap on set budget. In here you can just choose an amount for your monthly budget. It won't stop any purchases but will let you know when you get close to that amount. So your monthly budget history is tracked in Google account, but it's automatically removed after a year. So you can just write your budget in here. For example, I'm going to go 100,000. So you can just tap on save after that. And as you guys can see here, this is my budget and it will move or increase gradually when I use or purchase something in the Google Play. So if you want to edit or remove the budget, you can see these two options. To edit, you can just tap on this, and to remove the current budget, you can just tap on this ones right here. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you to stay on top of your Play Store expense. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!